This is the Choo Choo Show. Hi, I'm Jessie. Hi, I'm Sarah. And this is the Choo Choo Show.
Hey, we're still in the studio with Dirty, right?
We're here with Dirt Dog.
Hey, WIBB. You know how we be doing it every
Every Thursday.
every Thursday.
At Clear Channel Radio Station.
That's right. So we got what's going on?
We have Remedy in the studio right now, recording or on the radio.
On the radio with Dirty.
Yes.
Where we at?
Right here.
Okay. Can you go walk over?
This is Sarah. Hello.
Hi.
And this is Devon.
Devon.
Yes.
Yeah.
Everybody likes to say divine. It's divine.
Devon. Yeah. Because you're divine.
Oh.
They have two more people too that aren't here.
We hold it down for our girls, Mahogany.
We love you, Mo and Courtney.
Wow.
Okay. Y'all gonna be performing tonight in Fort Valley, right?
Absolutely. We
Oh
set it
man.
down for y'all.
That's all beautiful. And what's your single?
Our single is Two Fingers. Look out for it. It's hot.
It's hot, huh?
Hot.
Where you guys from?
Atlanta. I'm from New Jersey.
Yeah, I'm from Chicago, but we're in Atlanta.
Everybody's in Atlanta,
Everybody's
right?
from everywhere.
Yes.
I hear you. Okay, well, good luck with everything. Right, Jessie?
Yes.
Yeah, so y'all have to do y'all thing. So maybe y'all could do something with Jessie sometime.
Oh, yeah, definitely.
Yeah, she
And
sings.
Sarah.
Tell her
Sarah.
what kind of music you
I
sing.
sing pop country music.
Okay. That's cool.
Yeah, so hey, and nothing but like a bunch of beautiful women.
Yes.
Can you sing a verse for us?
Yeah.
Go.
In my daughter's eyes, I am a hero. I am strong and wise, and I know no fear. But the truth is plain to see. She was sent to rescue me. I see who I want to be in my daughter's eyes. And when she wraps her hand around my finger, oh, it puts a smile in my heart. Everything becomes a little clearer. I realize what life is all about. It's hanging on when your heart has had enough. It's giving more when you feel like giving up. I've seen the light. It's in my daughter's eyes.
Yeah.
Love it.
Hey.
Love it. Love it. Love it.
She loves to sing, man. She just loves to sing.
Awesome.
definitely
That is
got it.
awesome.
Yeah, do you guys want to give us something?
Yeah.
We can get you some.
Yeah, please give us something.
Yeah, we can do it.
Okay, cool.
So you want to stand up? Oh. When there's nothing left to say, when there's nothing left to do about us, when your love's so strong and you try to hold on, but baby, I can do without us, 'cause I done held you down and I stayed around. Now I know you're never gonna change. I can finally say there is no more love, baby, I can do without us.
All right, man, that's what I'm talking about. Dude, that sent chills up and down my spine. Dirty.
That's just a nice way to dump somebody. That's it.
Hey,
They broke up with you while they were singing.
hey, Dirty got issues, okay? He'll be
Break
trying
with you in harmony.
Thank you, guys. Thank you
Thank you.
very much, man.
Guys.
Yes, thank you. Give him a hug, would you? Guys? Give him a hug.
Yes.
Y'all be the twins.
Good luck. We gonna meet y'all at the top, all right?
Absolutely.
That's right. All right. Thank you.
Usher right there with that "Hey Daddy." When I walk in, I want the ladies to say "Hey Dirty." Your boy Dirty Dog holding it down, and it's a Friday, and right now we got Remedy in the building. What's up, ladies? How y'all doing? We got Devon and Sarah. What's up? Other two members are holding it down, but
Absolutely.
Courtney
Yeah.
and Mahogany.
Courtney
Yes.
Mahogany, and y'all laid it down in Fort Valley on yesterday doing your thing.
Yeah, that
So
was-
tell us a little bit about that. How was that?
It was a blast, man. We love Fort Valley. Y'all showed us so much love. We had such a good time.
Fellas, I'm telling you, right now, log on to WIBB.com and get some of these people. Got some pictures with these ladies. Y'all got to check these ladies out. Now, before we do all that, let's start off with that. Do you have a website, Facebook, Twitter, all that stuff? What is it?
You can reach us at www.myspace.com/RemedyWorld.
Remedy World. Y'all Remedy.
YouTube.
Oh, and your YouTube.
And your YouTube, okay.
YouTube.com, RemedyTV1.
All right,
Make sure
cool.
y'all go to that. Make sure y'all comment, rate, all that good stuff.
All right, that's how it's going down. Let's go ahead and get to it now, y'all. Based out of the ATL, it's some young ladies. Got your whole. I want to say I remind me of a younger Destiny's Child. You know what I'm saying? But I don't want to stereotype you or anything like that. But it's some R&B movement, and y'all got a single out right now. I want to say fingers and single at the same time. Throwing up the deuces, 2 fingers. Tell us about that.
Well, 2 fingers basically is just saying you've been in a relationship. It could be for a girl or a guy. And the person is wrong you in some type of way. And y'all break up, y'all go your separate ways. And later on they come back and they want to get you back and realize they did you wrong. But by that time, you just moved on. You're not even thinking about it at that time. So you throw the deuces up. 2 fingers.
Sarah's over here bobbing her head like she didn't did it before. You said you never really been in that situation.
Everybody can relate. Everybody can relate.
I think Sarah threw the deuces and she ain't even dated. You like, why you Sarah throw the deuces? That's tight. We're definitely gonna check out the single and tell us a little bit about the album.
Well, the album, Remedy, we want to bring all types of styles, all types of situations. So it's not going to be all just throwing the deuces up and, man bashing. We know how to love. We know how to tell sad stories, make you happy, make you dance, make you smile. Right. So we're going to bring it all to you.
All right, cool. Well, hang out with me. We'll be right back. We got Remedy in the building. It's 97.9 WIBB.